Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking down essentials that let you launch today. First, pick one measurable objective, leads, sales, or traffic, so every decision aligns. Once chosen, select the platform where your audience actually spends time and set a realistic budget and schedule. Make sure the pixel or tracking tag is installed and firing. Finally, create a basic campaign structure with 1-3 ad sets, each targeting distinct segments. This gets you from idea to live tests fast. Once live, focus on structured testing and measurement to improve performance. Create 3 creative variants per ad to isolate what resonates, then segment audiences into lookalike, retargeting, and intent-based groups so you can compare results cleanly. Run a/B tests changing only one element at a time, headline, image, or CTA, and monitor CTR, CPC, and conversion rate daily. Make incremental bid or budget shifts. If one segment outperforms, scale it while pausing underperformers to preserve ROI. To complete the campaign, scale winning combinations carefully and validate conversions end-to-end. Increase budget by 10 to 20% every 2 to 3 days while monitoring CPA and retention. Make sure landing pages load quickly and forms capture data correctly. If performance drops, revert to your last known good creative and audience, recheck pixel or tag firing, and inspect attribution windows. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify that your funnel conversion test works. No traffic wins if conversions aren't recorded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.